The most dangerous ocean crossing in the world is from South America to Antarctica. 600 miles of the most treacherous and unpredictable waters on the planet. Drake Passage. Right now, 6 elite athletes are attempting to survive Arctic cold temperatures, windstorms, and 40-foot swells in a rowboat.
We're here at Cape Horn. Right around the corner behind us is the route to Antarctica.
We'll start here, go southwest past the Horn, and we're going with the wind for about a day and a half until the bad weather comes in. Just try to get off the continental shelf where it's a bit dodgy with the shallow waters and big swell.
Last little bits and pieces getting done here before we launch this boat today. I think we're gonna be in the water before long.
So we're getting ready to launch Ohana. It's certainly not ideal conditions. There's a lot of wind out there. It's hard to keep Braveheart in line.
Oh my God!
We're trying to make it as safe as possible, because the last thing we'd want to do is damage this boat before the expedition even starts.
Boom! There you go.
Nicely done! Holy
Get out of here!
Oh my God! Good job, John.
The Braveheart and Ohana, the two of them running into each other. The one that's going to win that battle is the Braveheart 10 times out of 10 times. So got my adrenaline going pretty fast.
Putting a rowboat in the water at Cape Horn, not an easy task, but the boat is in the water, which is an amazing sight. Look how good it looks.
It's go time. You got this. You got this. Get you on the boat.
Okay, me and you in this together.
Yeah.
All right.
We are just about to leave, literally, right now. And I feel like it's 2 years of work coming into being manifested. It's possibly a lot of pressure and possibly a lot of glory, because as the last good emperor of Rome said, what we do in our life echoes in eternity.
Day 1, 2 shifts down. Here's my my little home inside the stern cabin here. Not much to look at. Feet go down there. Lots of bags and stuff over here. I try to get a little bit of sleep by just kind of doing this.
Feeling a little cramped. Let's see. But warm.
It's raining outside. Not the ideal start, but we, well, at least dryness-wise that we wanted. It's pretty wet in here already. So you can see Jamie's passed out.
It's awful, rainy, 100% humidity. I hate this kind of weather, and windy.
Some waves out there. Guess this is what rowing across Drake Passage looks like. It's always the first day, it's like super hard. But this is the first time that I'm actually setting off to break a world record or a world first with a cohesive team. There it goes. I'm officially all alone out here. Good old headwind, 30 miles per hour. Every expedition I've done that I've been successful with, oh my God. The one thing I can plan for is uncertainty, and that all of my plans are not gonna go perfectly to plan. Being able to adapt has been ultimately the key to success. Just trying to chip away. Trying to stay mentally tough. The whiteout, there's stroogie and wind. It's pretty much the worst case scenario, but try to get a few miles in today anyway. Made it up to the polar plateau. Hoping this body and mind can continue to stay strong and can make my way across the plateau and be at the pole in about a week or so. I'm pretty delirious right now. I guess I still managed 20 miles, but I feel like a fail. This storm just won't quit. It was gusting like 50, 60 miles per hour, and I finally just couldn't see where I was going. It's the first time in the project I'm feeling like I just wish I could quit. Yeah, this storm just keeps raging, and looks like I've still got another couple days at least of it coming, so. Not doing good. Five and a half hours into the Antarctica Marathon. So far feeling so good. Mentally still super prepared for a 36 hour push. First person in history to cross the entire continent of Antarctica, solo, unsupported, and unaided. It's 2:25 p.m. local time Chilean on December 26, 2018. I just made history. This was such a hard journey. It's the hardest thing I've ever done. It's also the thing I'm most proud of, for sure. One of the keys to my success in Antarctica was close my eyes and visualize my future. I pictured that moment when I would reach the edge of the landmass and step onto the ice shelf, and what that would feel like to be standing there alone in that moment. And what I've been picturing so much is this moment when the six of us cross Drake Passage at this harrowing life experience we've all had together, and we stand on the Antarctic Peninsula, all interlocked in arms, hugging and holding each other and celebrating this success, and then the amazing thing that it will feel like to have done that with a team of extraordinary people. 5 minutes till I go back out there. We're getting through it, one stroke at a time. One stroke at a time.
Follow the expedition in real time on Discovery.